Okay, so I hope you can hear me. Let's begin with the ATM project. So the main aim was to do this project is to teach beginners that you can also do these kind of projects with such ease. These this project just contains if else statements, nothing else. If you can see the code here, can see if these are all the basic Python concepts. So I hope all beginners will understand it easily. So let's start from scratch. The aim of this project is to take the output, take the input from the user. That is the pin code, like in ATM machine. I'm not making. If you thought by looking at the topic of the project, ATM machine project, so this is not kind of a ATM machine project. It's just I'll just and try to explain you how ATM machine works behind, what kind of code is running behind. So that I will only explain you. I won't tell you the graphical user interface, GUI and all that, because that are all advanced concept, and I don't want to confuse you in that. Okay, so you should start coding. So number one step is to do take input from the user, okay, which is the pin, because whenever you go to an ATM machine, the user gives the input, which is the pin code. Okay, I've written the code already, but I want you to start from scratch so you can learn it much better. So first of all, let's write a clean code, because writing a clean code is really important. Because whenever a coder reads your code, because programming is a community, in programming, community matters a lot, and we have to stick with the rules of all the programmers which we use, like in libraries. I don't want to get I don't want to disturb the beginners. Libraries are just a kind of a code packed in a box. You can understand like this. So in libraries also there are rules to define everything. Okay, not you all have to stick with the rules of programmers, but yes, something you have to do follow, which all the programmers follow. So this increases the readability of the code. Every programmer can read that code easily. Like for example, I'm going out of topic a little, but I just want to explain you that if you define variables which do not link with the working, like here I will define a variable pin. Okay, the pin code. So the pin variable, what by reading the name of the variable pin, what the programmer will expect to get inside that pin, there will be a pin code. So yes, you have to name the variables with the function or with the thing they are hiding inside them. So you have to link them both. Like if I give the pin the name B or A or C or any other thing, so this will confuse. This is not defining what's inside the variable, but when I write pin, it will define that that most probably there will be a pin inside that. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, let's put a heading, because I told you write a clean code. ATM project 1, because it's the first project. A is equals, oh sorry. First of all, we have to welcome, we want to welcome the, because whenever you put your card, the ATM on the ATM machine. It displays welcome to our bank, and whatever bank is that, blah blah blah. We don't know the name. We just write. We just print the bank name XYZ. Print print. Yeah. Welcome to XYZ bank. Yeah. Great. Now, after welcoming them, uh, we want to take the input from the pin, which is the pin. Pin is equals to input. Input. Enter your pin